Is your shop getting way too chilly in the colder months? Well, no need to keep on bundling up thanks to this week's feature product, the 240-volt portable construction heater from Pronghorn. For most applications, a standard ceramic or halogen heater usually throws enough heat, but the bigger the room gets, the harder it is for those little guys to keep up. This isn't anything wrong with the heater, they just simply don't have enough power coming from the wall outlet. That's where this construction heater really shines. It runs on 240-volt, 30-amp power, capping out at 4,800 watts. That works out to over 3 times more power than your standard space heater can achieve. Now, those keen observers will have noticed that this uses a bizarre plug that you probably don't have in your house. This is a NEMA 630 plug. They're usually located in workshops and industrial facilities to run heavy-duty equipment. If you don't have one of these plugs available, you'll have to first talk to an electrician to help set it up. Once you've got your power situation taken care of, all you've got to do is turn up the thermostat dial on the front of the unit and the heater will kick on. And once the air has reached the temperature you've set on the thermostat, it will shut off and continue to monitor the temperature to see when it needs to turn on again. There's also a built-in carry handle with an integrated cord wrap, so you can move this around to wherever you need it most. And the 300 CFM fan will also help to spread the heat around. Now, if this heater doesn't work for you and the standard electric heaters aren't strong enough, your next best option is going to be a diesel or kerosene heater, which you can learn more about by watching our Gear Up with Gregg's video on Mr. Heater. So, stave off the cold weather this winter with the 240-volt portable construction heater from Pronghorn. What do you do to heat the space in the dead of winter? Let us know in the comments below and be sure to subscribe so you never miss a video. Stay warm out there.